What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As I promised you guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the SMALLRIG, the 220B. The B stands for bicolor. Let me just get straight into it. As you open the case, beautiful case by the way, it's a hardish kind of shell. It definitely will protect whatever you have inside, which is your light. It does come with some foam on the inside. I will kind of lift this like so, right about there. So you have over here your reflector, and right here is a light, and you have down here is the power brick. All right, so I'm gonna take out each of them. So this is your power cable that comes with the light itself, right there. That's it. And you have, this is a power brick, and this is the connection that goes to the light itself. Okay, I'll put this to the side. And like I mentioned, this has a reflector on the inside, just like so. All right. And for the main event, which is the light itself, the main construction of the light in terms of the material, the majority of the material is made of plastic. It's a hard plastic that it's made from. This light, however, at the neck of the light right here, that goes on to whatever stand that you're going to be using, is made of metal. The neck right here also that attaches here is also made of metal. All right. You have your power right here. I'm going to be showing close-up pictures of that. And you have your dials of the light. At the front here, which I took off the protective reflector, is just to go on the front, but this is where you have your LED. And it has a coating on the front of it that literally keeps it protected from, like me who was just touching the light a while ago. I'm going to put the lights in together. That way I can have a quick demonstration of the light itself. All right, I'm back. So I will plug. It comes with a 3 plug right here. It has 3 prongs on the inside right here that goes in. It only goes in one way, so you won't be able to mess it up if you think you're gonna be doing that. And then literally once you turn the light on, like so, it's gonna charge up and then you see the light. And like I told you guys, it's a bicolor light, so it has 2 colors. You have your normal daylight balance, and then you have your warm. So it goes from 27K, which is the lowest, and then it goes all the way up to 65K. So I will definitely do a demonstration of that right there. So right now it's on this lowest, which is 2700K, which is Kelvin, and I'm going to crank it up all the way to 65. And you notice that the color, let me take the power down just a bit. So this is on 1% right now. All right, and this is, I'm gonna go back through it again. So you'll see the color changing from that nice daylight balance to that really nice warmth of a light. And you can see it right there, all right? The light also comes with some effects. There are 2 dials at the back. One is for the effects and one is for just the normal controlling the power and the temperature. All right, once you press the button, you can cycle through each of the modes. And then right now it's on normal, And then we will go. This one is called Paparazzi, right? And I can increase and you'll see it flashing just like that. And then the next one is Fireworks. And you will see that it comes on, comes off. Let me turn the power intensity down so that it's not too bright on the video. So that's at 4% right now. The next one is, Paparazzi, Fireworks, and Lightning. That's the lightning right there. You should see come on back again one more time. Just waiting for it. There you go. And then this is called a fault bulb, which is like when a bulb is defective, so you can get that effect. One more time. This one is called TV. It's on TV right now. Trying to see what it does. See, it does flickers a while ago, like a slow flicker. And then this one is called Breathe. And then the next one is Flash. And then the next one is, this one is called Party. Flame. And then it goes right back to normal. So normal is when you're going to be using it like a video light, just one standard power of light coming out. The build construction, like I said, is really good. The only thing I would love them to do, especially with the dials, I wish that the dials goes to like a clicking phase when you're going through each of them, because sometimes you can be turning the dial and missing, whatever function that you're trying to get to. So I wish they did that. I love the fact that it has an handle, so literally it's easy to just carry around. And the light itself in general is really, really, really light. That's the one thing I really like about it. It does come with a umbrella stand, not a stand, sorry, a mount for umbrella, so you can actually screw it in on the side right here and tighten the umbrella when you slide it through here. Beyond that, that's the main feature of the light. But the one thing I really love about this light, beyond having the bicolor, is really the power of the light. This is a 220 watt color light. And the color accuracy of the light is pretty good from what I understand. It has a CRI of 95 plus and a TLCI of 96. So it's pretty good. So if you want to do any kind of product photography, normal photography of just like a person, portrait or whatever, you're definitely going to get those nice rich colors from whatever camera that you're going to be using. It's not going to affect the skin tones or anything like that, especially if you put it on a daylight balance. So that's really good. And I'll definitely show you guys the power output of the light. So I'm going to be turning it up. So right now it's on 12% and I'm going up. It's on 40% now, 52%. It's on 81%, and like I said, it's really bright, guys. This is 90 and 100. I won't even try to turn it to the camera because it's going to literally, but if I should try to put this on me, it's going to be way overexposed. So that's the one thing I really love about this light, is that the power, how powerful it is in terms of the output. It's really, really, really good. And then it does come with an app, and that app is called, let me see here. Let me go into the app real quick. The app is called SMALLRIG, and literally there's a light right here over me, or to my left, camera right. I will show you. The only thing I don't like about the app so far is that it takes a little while to load. I will definitely put that on the screen so you guys can see Once you have synced the app with the light, because the light comes with Bluetooth, you go inside, it's going to do another loading phase again, and then you have the light. And here you can control the warmth, which is the temperature. So I have it at 6500 right now. And then right now, the power output that I have it at is about 40. And right here above me here, it has on a grid, the softbox has a grid on there and a diffusion. So it's going through the diffusion plus the grid. And then if I turn the power up, like so, you will see how bright it gets. And I can turn it down, just like that. Let me put it back to 40. And you can definitely turn the light off and turn it back on. So it's really good to have, you know, be able to just do all the controls from just your phone and, you know, just do whatever adjustments you need. Let's say you're doing video and you're working by yourself. You don't have to be walking around to go to the light and turn off this and switch that. You can just do it from your hand. I bought two. As you can see, so I have one here that I'm showing you guys now, and then one that has actually been using for the video. So beyond that, guys, it's really good. There's another thing that I noticed with the light, let me just turn it off, is when you put the reflector on or the softbox, there's a little bit of play right there. It's not as firm as other lights that I've used, but it's not a deal breaker. Right? Once you slide the lever right there and you turn it, it comes out. You put it in and you lock it in and it's there. And it's nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. All right? So beyond that, guys, my take from this is the light is very, very good if you're using it for a lot of indoor stuff. I'm sure you can probably use it for outdoors as well. And it is really powerful and really, really light. So you don't have to worry about struggling if you have it on a light stand, moving it around. You're not going to have any issues at all. You know, if you're female, same thing. You know, if you never really lift heavy stuff, you won't have much trouble lifting this guy. It's pretty, pretty light. I also bought, this is kind of a bonus to the video as well, because I wanted to be able, let me just put this over here. I wanted to be able to move around with the light without having it being plugged in. And the items that I bought, let me just come off camera real quick. So there are two things. So there's a connection that goes onto your light stand that you can attach the battery. Right, let me just open that first. And it's made from the same brand as the light, which is SMALLRIG. So let me just open it real quick here. Bear with me, guys. Okay. All right, so it comes with a little instruction manual. Shows you the steps of how to actually put it together. I'll put that to the side over there. And let me open up. Once you open it up, you're greeted with the power cord. This cord goes to your light, and then I'll just take this out, and this is the attachment that goes on your light stand. It's pretty simple. It comes with a lever at the side that you literally just unscrew, and the part that touches or go against the light stand itself is a rubber, so you don't have to worry about it scratching the stand, the light stand itself. It goes in here, and then you tighten it onto it. Once you have, let me just get out the other one, which is, this is the lithium ion battery, okay? And it's a V-mount, just so you guys know. So in here it comes with the power brick, and it comes with two American, and I think this is European, the power cable. And then what it does is you connect it. Let me take it out. So this is the battery itself, all right there. and it has the clip right here that goes onto the side of this. All you do, you connect it and you hear a click. Once it clicks in, the battery is on there. It's not going anywhere. There's a lever on the side that you literally press, and then you release it off the plate, and then you can put it back. So this way it allows you to go wireless with the lights, and you don't have to be concerned whether you're going to be having it on a wall and you're going to run out of length of wire. This allows you to just move around freely. So I've gotten this. I've actually ordered a second one because I just want to be able to have that option to be moving around if I need to in the apartment somewhere, because I don't want to be always plugging it in. So that's about it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I also, from the shoot that I did on the recent 2 videos that I shot, I actually used the light, so you can see the quality of what I can get from using the light. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, guys. If you did, smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because I definitely will be posting more videos in the future on gears that I use for my photography, for my business, and also my workflow of either how I edit and other stuff. I oftentimes show behind the scenes from weddings or even fashion shoot that I'm doing. The recent fashion shoot that I'm doing, I'm going to be creating a video on that so you guys can see how I work with a model, how I had the lighting and setup and everything. So guys, take care, have a good day, good night, wherever you guys are, and stay safe. Peace.